up, guys? Right now I'm at Colton's house. We're making a sign where it's honk if you're happy. So Colton's gonna be my film guy. Here you go, Colton. We're gonna go wait out. Oh shoot. It's gonna fall. No. Yeah, this is kind of sketchy. Yeah. I'll go down to the Yeah, we're gonna see how many people see how much honks we can get, and I'll probably like edit out all the parts where we don't get honks or stuff, or we're just waiting for a car, so it looks like we just get a bunch of cars on and on again. So yeah. Look at Colton, he's already on the scooter way over there at the other part of the road. He just left me in dust. I have no shoes on, and I'm by this very busy place in California, Santa Maria. This very busy place. Here it comes at me. Okay, Colton, let's wait for cars. Colton, come here. Okay, we're going out. It's like 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock at night. 6 o'clock, I think, and we're hoping cars come by. No, Colton, we're going on this street. Right here, Colton. So we're gonna wait for some cars. And what? Okay, here, take it, Colton. Colton, come back. There's not a car. Here, film. Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy. Dang it. He never did it. Never honked. Here, Colton, film. Wow, they're not happy. It's cold. There's.
Oh yeah, you need to do the floss, remember?
Oh, car!
Perfect. I need to spin. I need to spin the thing around. Colton's over here dancing around. Oh yeah, dance if you're happy. Woo! Wow. You know this is going on YouTube.
I know, I didn't say it. You know this is going on YouTube, right? It's cold. Huh.
Woo! This is how I'm spinning my thing around. Woo! On a car dealership.
I think. Oh, car! There's a car! Oh, dang it. Mustang. It's a Mustang. See them? They're turning around because they're meanies.
Oh, I thought they were turning around. Honk if you're happy, guys.
Honk, honk.
If you're in the car honking this right now,
Then you're happy.
no, if you're in the car watching this right now, I need you to honk right now in the next 5 seconds, okay?
If not, you're gonna have bad luck
Yeah, if not,
for the rest of your life.
You're gonna have a big spider crawling into your bed tonight.
Car! A car! There's a car!
Okay, start dancing around.
I can't. I have the
No,
phone.
you have to go.
Come on, just. She started dancing. You're not supposed to say dance. You're supposed to say honk.
Come on, cars. Come at me, bro.
Car!
Oh, perfect.
Come at me. Oh, God. You were shaking your butt at the camera.
Honk if you're happy.
Wow.
3 rejects.
Everyone's mean right
We're
now.
doing it. 3. We got so many.
Yeah.
So many honks.
Now it's all dead.
Oh, there's a truck right there.
Oh, wow. He's a meanie head.
Bro, there's no kids.
So we have him honk.
Oh, you.
Honk. yeah.
Bro, there's some sketchy guy here.
It's fine. Let's ask him. Perfect, he's coming our way.
Hey kid, you want to help us film a YouTube video?
You want to help us film a YouTube video?
What?
We're making cars honk at us.
Yeah, look, we're making a YouTube video.
I was last seen in a YouTube video.
When? Where? Oh, car. 2 cars.
All right, 2 cars.
Okay.
Watch what he does.
Honk if you're happy. Honk if you're happy.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Dang.
We got one.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right.
I'm not over here. I'm at
I think I've seen you before. I've seen you before somewhere.
I've been at I was in Kemi in
Oh yeah, I remember you.
Is it the one that I told you about my YouTube account?
Don't you have a little sister?
Yeah.
Bro.
Oh, what's
What's up?
What's up, dude?
I remember I met him like last year, and he said he lived on my street.
YouTube video and you're like the
Yeah, that is.
somebody
That
you
is
knew.
the one.
Yeah.
The one with the red street with the truck.
Mhm.
Frick, I'm right there. What's up?
What's up?
I gotta go see you. Frick, I'm gonna play Roblox.
Frick, I can't believe it's you. You ask your mom if you're okay to stand right here and you can make film and stuff.
Oh, car.
You can ask mom if it's okay.
But I'm spending a night at someone else's house.
Oh. Well, you can ask your friend if she wants to come out here with us.
Yeah. All right.
Ask your friend if he wants to come film with us, and if he does, come back.
Bro, I can't believe it.
guy's parking.
I met him like a year ago, and my little sister and his little sister used to play together, and then me and him would play on the playground. Bro, I can't believe
That guy looks sketchy.
it's fine. He's happy.
He's probably happy that he doesn't kill us.
Oh, car. See him backing up?
Oh, I'm scared.
You're fine. What's he gonna do? Kill a kid holding a sign?
Yeah. He probably would.
Wanna make a run for it?
It's fine.
Honk if you're happy. Yeah. Well, but how are we gonna post it?
Oh, car. Film us. Film me dancing.
Woo! Wow. Another car.
Wow.
Wow.
Imagine we come back.
Oh shoot. They're doing their break. Bro, if he turns around, I'm booking. Bro, I can't believe I met him. It's been so long since I've seen him. Because he said he lived on Sapphire Drive. That's the street I live on. Oh God, we can't post that video now. Well, the video ends here.
We're blurred out. I already told them we live in Santa Maria. So
They're gonna come blow up my street.
yeah, they're gonna come. They're gonna come to the beep address of Santa Maria. Come knock on your door. Knock on every house.
Wanna go? Let's go down that way where he went.
Scared. He probably thinks we're gonna run away. So then we're gonna run that way. And he's gonna.
It's fine. Come on, let's go that way. You ready?
No, I
Set.
don't. No, God.
Why? That's sketchy.
I know. You said it's fine.
Just come on. Let's go down there a little ways. If he chases us, I'm turning around leaving ya. No,
No.
I'm joking. Hop on the scooter with me. Meow. All of a sudden he rolls down the window. Meow.
What the heck is he doing in there?
Yeah, let's go.
Why?
He's sketchy.
I know, huh?
Yeah.